So, hi guys! This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is we're going to unbox my filter coffee, what do you call it? The handle or the, Kaffe filter holder or box, Charles, whatever. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
So let's start. So ayan guys, let's start na to unboxing this my box or holder, the Kaffe filter. Wait guys, gusto ni Dustin wanna come. Ayan. So there we go mga kalindog. I bought this in Amazon. It's very cheaper. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. I will show you later how to work this. Ayan. By the way, oh my god mga kalindog, this is better than always in the box. My filter always you know mga kalindog, I drink always coffee or every morning. So the coffee filter is in the box. I will show you. Ayan. Like this guys. Look at this. This is always the coffee filter. You see? This is it. Pansit. Okay, so by the way, let's go now. Let's open this or let's try to unboxing this. And the color, of course, green like this mga kalindog. My favorite color. So there we go. Ayan mga kalindog. There's a lot of boxes. Woo! There we go. Woo! Dustin. Ayan. Oh yeah, this is green. I thought, what is this? It look like not a green. So ayan, there we go mga kalindog. Wow! Ayan. O diba? Beautiful. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog how to work this. Ayan. Diba? There we go. Ayan. Douglas! Sorry guys. So ayan mga kalindog. Diba? Yan ang ating pang coffee filter every day. Ayan. So let's try it how to work this at paano siya nag-work. Dustin! Douglas! Come in here. Ayan mga kalindog. So by the way, ayan, I show you the coffee filter. Ayan. There we go. Ayan mga kalindog. Ito yung ating coffee filter. Ayan, di ba? Show you mga kalindog paano siya nag-work. So ayan, let's try this. Ayan mga kalindog. Ayan. Tungo. There. So ayan mga kalindog, no? Well, I think mas maigi with, let's put in here. Ayan. Kasi itong camera ko, they following me. So it's better like this para makita ninyong better. And I will demonstrate you how to work this. Ayan mga kalindog. This is nice, no? So, ito yung ating coffee filter holder. Ayan, na binili natin. Ayan, di ba? And very cute. Ayan, dahil covered siya. So, hindi na alikabukan or it's not getting it's not the dark dust come inside. Ayan. Ito yung coffee filter guys, mga kalindog. Ayan. O, diba? Kasi everyday, I use this. Taran! O, diba? So, Ayan, no? So, every day, I take one, for example, like that. So, ito ngayon, let's try to put this. Ayan, mga kalindog. I will show you. O, diba? Ang ganda. Beautiful. Beautiful siya. Like me, right? So, ayan. Oh, ayan. O, diba? Beautiful. So, ayan mga kalindog, and now, every day, if I use it, so I get only like that. O, diba? Very common, easy now to get my coffee filter. O, diba? Bongga! Ayan mga kalindog. So, let's put here, this, for example, here, ayan. Kasi ang ating copy, or pag nagko-copy, cooking ako ng copy, ayan mga kalindog, like that, is, here is my copy machine. And now, so, lagay natin ang ating copy filter here, ayan. So, para mas, diba, ayan, o diba, or here. Diba? So, ayan mga kalindog. Wait. So, there we go mga kalindog. Ang atin na namang coffee filter. Ayan, o, diba? So, there we go mga kalindog. O, diba? Much better na ngayon. Meron na tayong holder ng coffee filter. O, diba? Mas elegant at saka safe pa sa dust or so that's nice, diba? Ang cute niya mga kalindog, diba? Kasi yung and we're gonna put here, ayan, let's put this better, diba? Para magkasama sila ng cafe. This is the coffee and this is the coffee machine. Kasi pag walang walang holder o walang box ng filter, they always use this the box. Kasi napasok ang mga insect or the dash. O, diba? Much better. Right? O, diba? Ganda. Ay, mga kalindog. Diba? Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video for today for unboxing my coffee filter. So don't forget to smile. So guys, see you again. Bye.